welcome to Benia Studio.
Wow!
Hello kids, today we will learn about the shapes. This is diamond shape. Now this is rectangle. This is circle. This is triangle. So we have diamond, rectangle, circle and triangle. Now I am going to draw star shape. This is star shape. This is oval shape. This is square shape. So we have 7 shapes. Diamond shape. Now we have rectangle shape. Now we have circle shape. I am going to color this circle shape with yellow color. Now this is triangular shape. Triangle. This is star shape I'm going to color it with blue color. Star shape. This is oval with purple color. Oval shape. I'm coloring it with purple color. This is square shape. Square is in pink color.
Wow!
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.